Welcome to another high protein vegan meal prep. This one is an aubergine and black bean sauce with marinated tomatoes. This is the easiest meal prep I've done so far, and as always it's around 40 grams of protein per portion. Full macros are in the end screen and the written recipe is in the description box below. Consider subscribing if you like this kind of content. For 5 portions we need 300 grams or 10.5 ounces of whole wheat spaghetti or any kind of pasta. Then we have 2 onions, 2 aubergines, also called eggplants, 4 cloves of garlic and 4 tomatoes. Next up is 2 cans of chopped tomatoes, which is 800 grams or 28 ounces. For spices we'll use 1 tablespoon smoked paprika, 1 tablespoon thyme and salt and black pepper to taste, 1 to 2 tablespoons sambal oelek or 1 to 2 chilies, 3 tablespoons balsamic vinegar and some olive oil. We will sprinkle over 100 grams or roughly half a cup toasted sunflower seeds, and we also need some parsley. The main source of protein is 400 grams or 2 cups of dried beans that are soaked overnight and boiled for 40 minutes to 1 hour. If you buy pre-cooked, this is roughly equivalent to 1 kilogram or 2.2 pounds. Start with cutting the aubergine into cubes and then chop the onion and the garlic. The easiest way to peel the garlic is to cut off the root and then lightly tap on the side of your knife and the peel falls right off. Fry the aubergine in olive oil 5 to 10 minutes until they have shrunk and broken down a bit. While the aubergine is frying, make the tomatoes. Take a small knife and twist around the core and take it out. Then slice them up. Chop the parsley and together with balsamic vinegar, black pepper and salt, you mix it with the tomatoes and set aside. When the aubergine is about half the volume, then you add the onions and the garlic and stir a bit. Give that 3 to 5 minutes and then add the sambal oelek or chili, the spices and the chopped tomatoes. If you're in a rush you can also add the beans now, but for the best taste you should let that simmer for anywhere from 10 minutes to half an hour before adding the beans. While the sauce is simmering, boil the pasta according to the instructions on the package and roast the sunflower seeds in a dry pan. Add the beans to the sauce and all that's left now is to assemble the meals in containers. The macros are calculated based on this batch being 5 portions, but you should of course make as many as you like to fit your preferences. If you like this video, please leave a thumbs up and subscribe to not miss any of my coming content.